Finally, we are at Jerusalem. It took only 5 hours, so a bit better than the initial prediction of 6 hours. I have no idea where the driver dropped us, and I don't have a network. I don't have a SIM card, so we need to find the train station to get to Tel Aviv. Okay, so it seems that we are really far from the train station. The driver dropped us in the middle of nowhere. I mean, we are in the city, but not in the place that they were supposed to drop us. So we will take the tram to the train station, and from the train station we will take a train to Tel Aviv, where our Airbnb is. I'm amazed by the amount of police and military that there are on the streets. We missed the tram. Great. I don't know for how long we'll have to wait the next one. So okay, at least we are on the right direction. That's where we are going. I think we can pay with our credit card, but I will ask someone. Okay, so I figure how this works. Basically, you choose purchase an anonymous car and contract, and just choose the type of ride that you need. For example, new single ride contract. It will charge you $5 for the card and $5.50 for the single ride. We're finally out of that damn tram. It was so full. Okay, so people don't care about red lights here. So now we have to find out how to get into the station and get the ticket and get to Tel Aviv. Electric stairs only go up. This has been quite a ride. Oh my god, again and again. The amount of security is annoying at this point. So I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, and I need to use the toilet. So I'll try to fix those issues first before going to Tel Aviv. And once my issues are fixed, then I can think on anything else. Platform 1. So I think this is our train, the one that departs at 1:30 in direction to Tel Aviv. If you need to take this train, keep in mind that the same train goes to the airport and to the city center, although the signs might only show to the airport. There's AC in it. So we finally arrived to Tel Aviv. I think we might have got off at the wrong train station, so we now have to do some walking. Luckily the Airbnb is not that far. It's just that we don't know the area and we still don't have a data plan. So look at this, how interesting. They're on the scooters with the helmet. It's cloudy, but it's still so hot. It's really humid. I like those palm trees. This area looks really green. Finally arrived. This area is going through a really high development phase. They are tearing down those old houses like those and making those new skyscrapers. I think this is my first time seeing a city that's going through such a development. There are cranes everywhere. No matter where I look, I see a crane or two It's just incredible. So for context, we are going to take the day easy today. So we are now going to get some SIM cards to be connected again. Maybe go to a McDonald's and then just chill. They want my phone. No. This is insane. This meal cost 28 euros.
עולה חצי במחיר, זה עולה 59 והשני עולה 20. אתה צריך לוודא שיש לו צ'יפ, ככה זה נקרא, זה עם צ'יפ, מי שמוכר יודע.
Do you sell SIM cards? No? Do you know where I can get
יש
one?
או עם צ'יפ או בלי צ'יפ.
We're still looking for a SIM card and we had to come all the way to a shopping mall where supposedly is the best place to get the SIM cards. Coming to a mall to get the SIM card is a terrible idea. There's so many people. I just want to get the SIM card and get the hell out of here. Hello. Do you sell SIM cards? Only for 10 days. Change. Okay, and the one that you offer is for a month or how long? Okay. Change. Okay, thank you. Hello. Do you sell SIM card?
No SIM card, go right, change.
Yeah, it's too expensive. Do you know maybe cheaper?
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry.
No problem. And we still couldn't find a decent SIM card. So now we are trying on a supermarket like some Google guy suggested. Hello. We're looking for a SIM card. Sorry? So to recap, we have been looking for 2 hours and we still couldn't find a SIM card. There are options, but they are just way too expensive. And they even told us like 10 days in Israel is like nothing, that most people stay here 1 month. So all the data plans are for people that stay here 1 month. I mean, fuck you. Why do I have to stay 1 month? Why can't you have options for other people? So funny how the Cokes come wrapped. Huh, cool. Hello. Do you sell SIM cards?
Yes.
So we finally got a SIM card in a place like this. Not a supermarket, not a mall, not a gas station, just a simple kiosk or night store. I don't know how you call this. So yeah, 50 gigabytes for 10 days. We got the SIM card, we got some snacks, and now we're heading to the Airbnb. Look how amazing this view looks. This is from the Airbnb.